Hi there, it's Ingrid again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a grand and glorious mess because, my friends, we are going to make Oobleck. Now, this is a very simple experiment. For all you need is some water and some cornstarch. Now, before you do this, be sure that you have found a spot in your house where you can do this, and it's okay if you make a mess because this is really messy stuff. So, in my bowl here I have some cornstarch, and I'm going to add some water. Now, on our website it says that you use about a 3-to-1 ratio, which means 3 parts of cornstarch to 1 part of water. And when you do that, you get all of your cornstarch and your water mixed up together. Now this is a time when you're going to have to mix very slowly and carefully, because as you can see, this is starting to get very thick and a little bit crunchy. And when that happens, you don't want to add more water, at least not right away. You want to get it all mixed in together, and some of it may go flying, which is why this is messy stuff. And if it gets kind of crunchy, like mine is getting right now, you're going to add a little bit more water, and I mean a little bit at a time. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit more water in here, and I'm going to mix it up some more. And you can see this stuff is really interesting. And this is about what you want to get Oobleck. Now you can see that I can sort of mix it like liquid, but it also clumps like a solid. And then if I hit it, I can't get the spoon to go all the way down to the bottom. But if I just gently put my spoon in there, it'll sink to the bottom no problem. And if I scoop up some of it and put it in my hand, I can make it into a ball for a second, and then it runs right out of my hand. So I encourage you to experiment with this wonderful stuff called Oobleck. Thanks for watching.